Hi everyone, this is our digital kit for this month featuring our new collection Memories, and you'll receive 12 scrapbook pages that you can print off, and you can change the size according to your printer settings. If you have a wide format printer, you can print 12 by 12. You can even do double-sided. Like the paper that we send out in the boxes. You can also do 8.5 by 11, perfect for junk journals. We also have our journaling cards, Ephemera. We have these cute envelope templates. And we have these other vintage pages that you can print out and use in your junk journal. Just really some neat pages, blueprints of houses, literature, cute pictures. This is our fabric for this month. Just loving these colors. Great introduction to fall. These are the tea-dyed pages, and you can print these off and it would really look cool in your journals. This is our stencil for the month, but you can print this off as just a really neat little tag. Hopefully you'll enjoy this month's digital junk journal kit. Thanks so much.